Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a really simple recipe, an ice cap. And the nice thing about making this from home is it's definitely a lot cheaper, but also you can substitute it out for whatever you would like and kind of make it to your own preference. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make up a nice big pot of coffee or use a French press. I like using the French press as it makes the coffee a lot stronger. Once you add the ice cubes later on in the recipe, it waters the coffee down quite a bit. I especially prefer the stronger the better, especially for an ice cap, but whatever your coffee preference is, then just do that. If you're using a French press, then you want the coffee to steep for at least 5 to 10 minutes before pressing it down, but honestly, you can let it steep for as long as you like. Once the coffee is made to your liking, you can go ahead and add it to a measuring cup, 5 ounces or 2/3 of a cup for one serving. Now you can triple or double this recipe, but I'm just making it for one serving. Next, I'm going to be transferring the coffee into the Magic Bullet container, and you can use either the Magic Bullet or you can use a blender. Obviously, if you're going to be making a large batch, it would be better off to be using a blender. Next, to sweeten this up a bit, I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, and you can either use brown sugar or you can use maple syrup, or you can use some white sugar. I do think that the brown sugar adds a way better taste to the ice cap. Next, we'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next, adding in 1/3 of a cup of cream. Now, if you don't like to use cream, then you can use coconut milk or whatever you usually put inside your coffee. Now you can put it aside and let it cool inside the fridge or freezer, as when we add the ice cubes, if it's still hot, it's going to make the ice cubes melt and not going to make it thick like an ice cap. Once the coffee is all cooled, you can go ahead and add 12 ice cubes into it. Once that's all blended up, you can add it into the glass that you'll be drinking it from, and then top it with anything that you want, whether it's whipped cream or some chocolate sauce, and then enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.